Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this little cloud. Right. All you need is some cotton yarn, a yarn needle, a 3mm hook and some scissors. To start you want to make a slip knot. And chain 9. Right, once you've chained 9 you want to skip this first one and single crochet 7 down the chain. So skip the first one, go into the second one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, alright, so once you've done 7 that leaves you with one last chain, and this last one you need to do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Pull the tail tight, and now you want to turn your work and work into the back of the chain. So in these back loops, right? So again, you just need a single crochet 7 in the back loops. Alright, so it should look like that. In this last stitch here, we're going to make 5 double crochets. So yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Alright, so 5 double crochets in the same stitch. Once you've done that, you need to slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made, chain 1, and you want to make 6 triple crochets in the next stitch. So yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. So you want to make 6 of those. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, skip this next stitch and slip stitch into the next one. So skip one and slip stitch. In the next stitch we want to make 4 double crochets. So yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so 4 double crochets in the same stitch. Just like that. Slip stitch into the next one. And slip stitch into the next one. So that's 2 slip stitches. You need to skip one and make 10 treble crochets in that stitch there. Okay, so skip one, right, that's 10. Then we want to skip 2 stitches. So there's one hidden under here. 1, 2. Slip stitch into that one. Slip stitch into the next one. So again, 2 slip stitches in a row. And then I want to skip one and make 8 double crochets in the next one. And then to finish it off, I just slip stitch to this last one here. right? And then all you need to do is cut your starting tail, cut this, and then I just weave it into the back of this one here. Right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.